Welcome to week 14 of my NVDA Double Ferris Wheel series. I started this campaign with 150 shares of NVIDIA, but I only use 100 of them to cover my calls. The other 50 are my FOMO shares, the ones I hold just in case the stock takes off. And this week, that really paid off. Even though my options premiums were modest, those uncovered shares added a nice bump to my total profit, which is now over $6,000 since August. No whales this week. I'm back from Cape Cod, but my little porch wren was waiting at the glass door scolding me for being gone so long. I think she missed her peanuts. If you're new here, go back and catch up on the earlier weeks. You'll see how this campaign has evolved. Sometimes I make money from options premiums, sometimes from share appreciation, and usually from both at once. My cash secured put is expiring out of the money today, and there are no bids to allow me to close it, so I'm just going to leave it to expire worthless. The $190 covered call is going to cost about $14.10 to close. There is really no extrinsic value left, so I'm going to sell a new cash secured put with a strike of $175 and roll the covered call straight out to avoid assignment and get a little more income from it. I'm not going to get a lot of income for this cash secured put, but I'm opting to sell pretty far out of the money. That one has filled. If you like seeing real trades like these, I've got free and premium resources on my website, and the Novice Investor's Guide series on Amazon Kindle explains every concept behind these moves. Now let's roll the covered call. I'm going to ask for $103. Maybe I'll get a little bit more. The put filled at 31 and the roll for the call filled at 105. So I have pretty respectable returns of just over 9% annualized for this week's put and 28.45% for this week's call. A quick sum of my total expense and income shows $22,810 and some change. Divided by 150 shares, I have reduced my average cost basis down to $152.07. The net liquidating value for the position is $29,022. So I've increased my profit this week from $45.56 to $62.11.